Good morning. Today I will tell you about the constitution and the rule of law. The rule of law in India was made by our constitution, and violation of these laws made punishable irrespective of caste, class, creed or gender. Some of the important laws framed include are Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. Yes, it is a very important act in our country. That is the dowry. Yes, the dowry is the biggest social evil affecting Indian society. Dowry is money or property given to the bride by her father at the time of marriage. These days, increasingly, outrageous demands for dowry are being made by the groom's family, which the girl's family often find impossible to meet. For this, the brides are harassed and often killed. In 1961, the government passed the Dowry Prohibition Act, banning the giving and taking of dowry. But the custom still going on. So we should be very much particular about this dowry so that it can be stopped. Some other acts are also there. The Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Act 1989, Employment and Manual Scavengers and Dry Construction of Dry Latrines Act 1993, the Bonded Labor System Act 1976, Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, Disabilities Act 1995, Mizoram Liquor Total Prohibition Act 1995. Many such acts have been passed to ensure that the ill treatment of the less privileged does not continue. Next come legality of laws. Yes, legality refers to the state or quality of being legal lawfulness. The term legality is usually referred to a requirement enjoined by law or an obligation imposed by law. The Constitution is the ultimate sources of power. The Indian Constitution has provided for an independent and powerful judiciary that is responsible for defending the rights of the common people. The judiciary also has the power to punish all breakers of law. Next come laws and dissent. Yes, a dissenting opinion is an option in a legal case in certain legal systems, written by one or more judges expressing disagreement with the majority opinion of the court, which gives rise to its judgment. Now we can say that there are laws. There is bound to be dissent or opposition to it. For example, if a law goes against the interest of a group of people, then that group will protest to express its dissatisfaction. Expressing dissatisfaction can take various forms: peaceful marches, non-cooperation, violent protest, strikes, etc. Sometimes government are forced to abolish or modifying the laws due to such protest. If we take an example of history, then we can say that Mahatma Gandhi was a firm believer in non-violent forms to protest like non-cooperation and satyagraha. When the British prohibited Indians from making their own salt as a form of protest, Gandhiji marched with his followers from the Sabarmati ashram to Dandi in the coastal belt of Gujarat. There, Gandhiji symbolically broke the law of the land by picking up a handful of salt from the seashore, thus effectively yet peacefully putting an end to the salt law. Now, I think you can understand the law of descent. Now, thank you.